Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to show you guys how to trade the Dow Jones today. So the market has huge fall. It keep coming down. And it keep coming down until there was a huge range here. Can you see the market had a huge range here? And this is the chart for the Dow Jones. So the Dow Jones had a huge ranging here. Nobody know where the market is moving. And then suddenly, I think there was some good news along the way and the market just shot up crazily. Right? So the market just shot up crazily. But I think, looking at the way how it is, the market has touched this very critical supply zone here because the sellers were all here waiting to sell. And hence, I think the market, it might just simmer off, comes down a little bit, right? It might just come down a little bit, right? And look at this very beautiful flush here. Look at this very beautiful flush here. The way it sold out, the magnitude that it got sold out was so fast, so fierce that it caught all retailers to throw because of the oil news and because of oil trading near $0, and hence a lot of people just liquidate their position, and it caused the Dow Jones to sort of like collapse. And then it went to a ranging mode. Can you see it ranged? And in this ranging mode, there's one gap up. I think this was earlier in the morning, like 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. And then it flushed down one more time. And then it went through this very critical trading range, right? So in this trading range, I think what happened was the market tried to rally away from this range, right? If the market continue to test this low here, very soon the thing will just drop off or being tumbled off. But instead, it just rallied off this trading range and went through up and down, chopped up and down before it trended all the way up, and as of now, it's still trending higher and higher. Right, but as it moved higher, like I said, it touched this critical supply zone, which I'm looking for a position to short. Right, I'm looking for a position to short, and hence currently the market is right here, moving up, and is it a signal to short yet? Looks like it. It just looks like it. So I'm just waiting to see a clearer signal will appear. So what's a clearer signal? When the market touched this supply zone here, around this supply zone here, that's where I think a lot of sellers will come in and look to take profits. At the same time, they'll be looking to short and make some good profits on the downside. As you can see, I shorted the market here. As you can see, I shorted the market here. As per the earlier analysis, it went up here. I said it was almost time to short, and it came down, and the market really sort of like simmered off a little bit. A lot of sellers. True enough, if we take a look at this, the chart here, the market actually touched the supply zone here. The sellers were coming here and they were looking for a short position here. And true enough, one long bar down, I shorted the market and it came down, and currently I'm under like $5,000 profits. So if you want to know how to watch charts for signals, I think that's very crucial to know the supply and demand zone. But I think more importantly is you need to know in the bigger spectrum, how do you know the chart when it was here? There was a lot of sellers looking to sell, and where are they going to short? Where are they going to sell down the market? And that's where you want to take a good position and short together with the big seller. So I expect the market to come down, taper off a little bit before I look into lock in profits. All right, as you can see, the market is coming down, is on its way down, and unfortunately, I decided to lock in some good profits. As you can see, it's like a $3,000 sing and a $4,000 sing. So I've really locked in profits like 950, 951. And although the market is coming down, so if I wanted to short back this stock again, what I would do is I would let it move up a little bit more, then maybe I will look to short it down one more time, right? So remember, if you are trading the indices, if you're trading the Dow Jones, it is very important to look at the wider spectrum for the supply and demand zone. So it was here I shorted, all right? So you can see I shorted along here. So it was here that I shorted the Dow Jones, and true enough, it tumbled, right? It tumbled, okay? So I hope this video you learn something on how to read the supply and demands and looking out for signals to short the market up and short the market down, and look for signals how to long the market when it's ready to move up, right? So the Dow Jones is actually not difficult to trade. Indices are pretty easy to trade if you know the turning point, if you can read the supply and demand zone, and if you know how to execute based on rising price when you're looking for short, and execute based on declining price if you know how to long the market. All right, I hope this video helps, and enjoy your day.